Hey there, wanna jazz up your Mobile Legends profile with a fresh new avatar? Or maybe you would like to use your own photo? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through both options right from your iPhone. Let's dive in. First, open Mobile Legends. Then, tap on your profile icon. Now, to change your avatar, tap the avatar icon, then hit the Change Avatar button. Here, you will see a variety of avatars to choose from. Just tap on the one you like, and then tap the Replace button to make it your new avatar. But if you want to use your own photo as the avatar, go back to the avatar changing option. Then tap on the empty box with no avatar. Next, tap on the Edit button and you will see two options. If you want to take a new photo, just hit the Take Photo button. But if you've got a photo ready to use, tap on the Photo Album button. Then, grant permission. After that, select a photo from your library, and then hit Done. Next, crop the photo if you want and hit the Confirm button. Lastly, tap on the Replace button and then the OK button. And voila! Your picture is now your avatar. Just remember, you can only use this once a week. And that's it. That's how you can switch up your avatar or use your own photo in Mobile Legends. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.